You gotta do this. You gotta do this. Come up close and do.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot.
Ooh. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today is a very special day. We have my mom.
Hi.
This is my mom, Jenny Lynn.
And that's what they call me.
Jenny Lynn. And she is here to teach us how she does her makeup.
No, I'm not
routine.
teaching.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
just
Those are
showing
great.
what I do because you...
Like she's, do you see this? How beautiful.
No.
Yes. Stop.
Okay.
So if you want to see how we get this look and if you want to see how my mom does her makeup, just keep watching and don't forget to, I think, hit that subscribe button. Sorry, I'm not trying to cover your face. Hit the subscribe button down below if you're new. Give this video a thumbs up and let's get into the video. Hi Mom.
Hi, Corrine.
So what do we do first?
The first thing I do is I put on my moisturizer.
Perfect.
And I use this. I've had this little mirror for years.
So long.
This came
What's
from...
her name?
I don't know. It came from a Clinique, you know, where you spend
Yes.
because I don't like to get up too close to my... And I'm not used to natural light.
Yes, so I always use natural and she doesn't, so this is different for her.
So I use Clinique.
Dramatically different?
Yep.
Nice.
Just slap it on there.
Slap her on. Is it weird not having
Can
a
I-
mirror in front of you?
Can I do it?
Oh yes. I've been using a sunscreen under my eyes and all over my face lately.
And it worked. Are you in the sun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Somehow a lifting one, so I feel like it's
But
helping me.
don't most moisturizers and foundations
Yeah,
have sunscreen?
but this one goes on like weights.
Oh, it's like...
It's like zinc, bullfrog.
Okay, what I do next are my eyes.
Oh, we do ice? Okay, that's different for me.
Because if I make a mistake or if eyeshadow gets on my face, I don't like to have foundation on.
Perfect.
So
let's do it.
now, I'm just gonna say, I don't do anything according to the rules.
Yeah, because
I
it's
use
your life and
different-
you do what you want.
Different products for different things that aren't its intended function.
I love it.
So I put a little bit of concealer on my lids.
Okay, let's do it. And we actually have the same
To set it.
concealer.
I just do a tiny little boop, boop, boop. And I do that in my head when I do my makeup. Boop, boop, boop.
So this is, what are we using?
I'm using Master Concealer by Maybelline.
Are you in the shade Fair?
I'm in Fair.
I'm in the shade Light. Am I just putting this on our lids?
Yep.
Up to the brow?
I do. Wherever I'm putting eyeshadow.
Yeah,
I didn't
Mom?
realize you're mimicking me.
I am. I'm going, you're leading us today. Prepare ye the way of the Lord.
And then I take some of e.l.f. This is like a setting powder. And I just put a little dab on my finger.
Okay.
I know.
I like it. We're just
And
going
I
with
just
it.
put it right where I put the concealer on my lid.
So we're just setting it.
And I don't even know if this is right, wrong, but this is what
But
I
it's
do.
the Jenny way. The Jenny way is the right way.
Is it?
It is.
Well, back in high school, it was purple and blue eyeshadow.
How funny is that you put it on your eye because now we want purple and blue to go away from our eyes? You know?
Okay, so now I have a naked palette.
She's getting naked.
And Corrine and her sisters, Emily and Morgan, got this for me
So,
several years ago.
yes.
And I'm starting to run out of my favorites and I get a little panicky.
So which shade do you use?
Well, on
Put my finger.
the base, I use this, and that. The first four.
Okay. So we're gonna mess with some of these. So we're just gonna go for a natural look. We're just gonna go thrifting today.
And then I do a little.
I think I'm gonna do the same thing you're doing, just with different shadow.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yes.
I'm just gonna use Frappe by My Cupcake.
Okay, and then for my crease area.
Oh, I started on crease first. Uh-oh. I'm sorry.
Girl, you are not following my crease.
I'm not following directions. Okay.
I do that.
I do this.
I do that.
I do this.
I do this. Slap it on there.
Slap it silly. I know I'm not following.
No, I just don't take nearly as long as you do.
Do you mind if I just put something on my eyelid real quick?
Go. I had stuff on
Okay,
my
I
eyelid.
missed that. How long does it take you to do your makeup start to finish?
Probably about 15 minutes.
Because you're so beautiful. You are. It's next to nothing to get you
No, I just don't.
ready for the day. I'm just using this Retro Love palette and I'm using that shimmer shade right there.
I mean, I wear makeup not to look like I'm wearing a bunch of makeup.
Yes.
I wear makeup just so I
To,
don't
like-
look tired.
Yeah. Okay.
So now I take the other end of the brush, this little more narrow.
Mm-hmm.
This is where I do my darker shades.
Okay.
And I go in the corner
You always what? Boop, boop, boop.
and I dab, dab, dab.
We dab. We
Yep. Dugga, dugga, dugga.
I never dugga.
I'm still doing my corner heel. And then kind of blending it a little.
When in doubt, blend it out.
I like that.
I don't do that. I'm just gonna touch my eyebrows since you don't.
So I use e.l.f. $2 eyeliner. I've tried more expensive ones.
We like
And
cheap
I've
stuff.
tried like pencil ones, but this e.l.f. liquid little mark, it's like a felt marker,
Mhm.
is
I
my
love those.
favorite. It's easy if you make a mistake to just
You said you've tried expensive ones?
more expensive, like Clinique or
Bougie.
Corrine is really good at eyeliner. Obviously, she's a makeup artist.
Ew. Do you see? I
Sometimes
don't wear
I'm like-
eyeliner on the regular though. Like you do. Because you have really pretty
I only wear it on
chocolate
the
eyes.
top. I
You
don't
have-
wear it on the bottom.
Well, Mom has really pretty dark eyes. I don't. So I feel like when I wear eyeliner, I come home and Mike's like, whoa. But you just do it. You just line the water, like the top. You don't like extend it or anything.
I don't wing it. I mean, I'm not young.
Shut your mouth.
Sometimes I'm like, Jenny, do you know how to do a line?
Sometimes it's the day. It's like I always say, if I'm doing a messy bun and it doesn't happen on the first time,
What about a messy bum?
a messy bum, like I'm gonna make my butt look really messy today. Gross.
I'm in the mood for a messy
I'm
bum.
for a messy bum. But I'm only gonna do the top because
Yeah, I don't do the bottom. You know why?
you don't do the bottom at all. What?
Because I don't like in the summertime if it's
Oh, if you're hot,
moist out.
it's humid. I was a dumbass and didn't put the battery in the charger. And we sat down to film and then...
Then I use this Tarte mascara.
Do y'all see how bougie she is?
Tarte.
Tarte Naked Clinique.
And I just do the tops, y'all. I've worn false eyelashes one time at Corinne's wedding.
Did you love it?
Yeah, I'll probably wear them again for Morgan's.
But like during the night, did you feel like, oh my gosh?
Nope. After they were on and settled, I didn't even know I had them
know.
on. Alright, now it's time for the star of the show.
Oh, okay. Show them what you do.
I use Makeup Forever Ultra High Def. I don't know what.
HD.
Just a dab.
Just about the dabs.
And then I go in with Sephora Clear Light number 20, and I use more of that. And then blend.
I'm just using Maybelline Matte and Poreless like I do
Because I
every day
can
of my
look
life.
pretty pale.
Like you're making your own concoction.
Uh-huh.
That's nice.
And I do it with my fingers.
And have you tried the sponge before?
Uh-huh.
What do you not like about it?
I feel like this is more efficient for me.
Like you're just on the go, let me just rub it around.
Well, I feel like I'm better at it.
yeah,
I
my
just-
fingers.
I've tried different ways. I've tried brushes, I've tried blenders, and I always go back to just,
Good old fingers.
it's kind of like cooking. Sometimes your hands are your best utensils. Sometimes. And then I make sure
Uh-huh.
I get my neck. I don't have any
Good girl.
variations. Oh my gosh, I look orange.
Mother. No, you
And this is
don't.
what I use
You
every
don't.
day.
Because if you do it in your lighting, you would look even more psycho.
So I look psycho.
Oh no, that's the wrong way of saying
Okay.
it. So I always told Mom when she first started like contouring and stuff, she would be like, why doesn't mine look like that? Because she wouldn't use enough product, and then you would do it in certain lighting, and then you get outside and then it looks different. So I had to tell her to start wearing more product.
She's golden.
That's
scolded her. Now my concealer. And
Okay.
I do use a booty blender.
A booty blender.
I'm going back in with the Master Conceal by Maybelline. And I do this.
The power of concealer.
Yep, because I used to be scared to put it on because I felt like it would crunch up.
Thing.
Then I go in with my blender. I don't wet my blender like Corrine does.
Have you tried wetting it?
Yep, I feel like this does better. I get more coverage.
You do get more coverage if it's dry. So the power of concealer is magical.
Yeah, I never really took advantage of that before.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to think I looked like the dog from the Little
You
Rascals.
look beautiful. That looks so good on you. The spot.
Yeah, his big circle around his eye.
Oh my gosh. I'm so glad you're doing this with me. Isn't this fun? You're so natural.
I'm
Like
natural.
you dove right in telling them what to do. Jenny doesn't play around.
Well, I've learned from you, Corrine. You've taught me things that I really never... You know, I was stuck in old school ways. And I really don't like to spend a lot of money on makeup, but if it's a good product
you gotta treat yourself.
that lasts a while, I'll do it.
Like she is like Sephora shipping.
Yeah,
psycho.
because I don't like to go to the mall. That's why.
The way everyone does makeup has changed because of like Instagram, you know?
I guess.
Yeah.
So this is, I'm back to the e.l.f. setting powder.
How much is that? $3?
I think it was $5.
Ew.
Maybe
Okay.
$4. Maybe
I love
$3. I don't know.
No, it's probably $5. I
Still
love
cheaper.
e.l.f., but
They're getting
they're
a
getting bougie because their products are getting better. But e.l.f., you're e.l.f. for a reason.
but it's still affordable.
I know. Do you see me complaining over something $5?
I know
Mom,
you
your
get it.
skin looks like porcelain. What the hell?
It does not. Now I do this pressed powder.
So you do loose setting powder under the eyes,
Yeah,
and then
and
you do a pressed powder.
This Fit Me by Maybelline.
We love, right?
This is the Buff Beige. And mine's the normal to oily because I do tend to get a little oily. You just put it. I don't do a lot. It's just to kind of take away any shine.
Yeah. And it's also nice to set the rest of the face so that way when you put like contour on,
Yes.
it's not like sticky and it doesn't.
Which I'm moving to contour.
Do whatever you need to do. I'm
Tarte.
just a step behind you. I'm sorry.
Tarte Pro Glow to go.
I mean,
And
you're sitting there saying
this
you're not
brush-
bougie.
No, I got this for a deal, and this
You
will
did.
probably last me an eternity.
You did get it for
So
a
I
deal.
start with the
And what
dark-
brush. You're using
It's a
Sephora
Sephora
brush.
contouring multi-texture brush. So I start with this dark chisel. I dab it, and then
Is that what it's called? Chisel?
and this is all taught by Corrine, so you know what she does.
Mother stuff. Get it, girl.
Uh-oh, that is a mistake. Yo.
No, you're good. You just gotta blend it out. Oh, I've had a booger this whole time. I told you.
And then I go up, because she tells me to do that.
Yeah, because you make the line and then you want to blend it up, not down.
Yeah.
There.
Blend, 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 blend.
And this is how you get your arm workout, right?
Yep.
Okay, so
Blush.
I'm behind. So she's doing blush, I'm still doing contour.
This is Tarte, and it's called Party.
Party.
Take this cheap little brush, e.l.f., swirl it around on my party,
Party.
and I go. And then I go. Get the balls of the cheeks up there,
The balls.
and I start with the balls of the cheeks.
The balls?
What do you call it?
Balls. And someone wrote, you really shouldn't do that. So you can suck my butt if you're watching. I'm just kidding.
Don't put that in there!
I could
I'm
care
scared
less
of
what people
blush.
have to say.
Okay, we're talking about two different things.
Sorry.
Okay, I'm scared of blush, so I don't put a lot on.
Which you shouldn't be because it's the most beautiful thing you could put on your
And then I
face.
take my Tarte again, and I dab a little bit of burst and gleam, and I go like this with my middle finger.
Oh.
Boop, 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 boop. And this, I learned from Corrine, the disco ball.
Disco ball.
Like that. I do this.
I do this.
I take,
Why?
this is so, what's the word? Janky?
Janky?
This is a broken ratchet brush, but I now swipe it on the burst and the gleam.
Viperness? Maybe.
And I do my highlight, which I probably look like an idiot
No, you look
doing this because I don't even know what I'm doing.
Stop! You are confident and you know what the frick you're doing, man.
And y'all, that is all she wrote. And I actually do one more dab of, oh, actually lip gloss.
Yeah. What do you call your
Well,
lip gloss?
You're not gonna say I'm not gonna say it.
Damn it. She calls her lip gloss something really
Oh,
funny.
I thought you were gonna say
I would not say it!
No, I don't want to offend anyone.
So leave in the comments below what you think my mom calls her lip gloss, because you'll never guess.
Nope, you won't guess. I would be embarrassed. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm gonna brush
It's
this.
Sephora. It's a highlight brush, but it's actually a contour brush,
I
but
like
you can...
How much is that?
Probably 30 something.
Yeah, no.
So we do lips now?
But this is Corrine. This is Corinne's. She got this at the dollar store.
It's
And
really
it's a lip
pretty.
gloss with a little bit of like mauve.
It's a mauve,
rosy.
it's a mauve shade, and we know I love my mom's. People are like, okay, we're over the mauve. Can you do something else?
And I don't do what she does. I'm very
Do what you do.
low maintenance. I'm either using like Burt's Bees chapstick or just a light lip gloss.
I'm using Jordana lip liner. I think it's in Dusty Rose, Rock and Rose.
A lot of lipstick for me would make me feel weird,
Oh, that looks so good on
vulnerable.
Vulnerable.
I don't know why. Just because.
Well, it's probably also your style's changed. You used to wear like.
I used to wear like a plum color.
Do you feel beautiful?
I
You
feel
look gorgeous.
ready to go thrifting.
You look gorgeous. We're ready to go.
Oh, that's a pretty color.
It's another mauve. Oh gosh. Call the ambulance. Okay. Call the ambulance.
Those of you who watch Corrine, you should consider yourself very blessed because she's A, very good at what she does.
You're gonna make me cry. Please.
B,
don't
she gives
do
really
that.
good tips, and often she's really funny.
Mommy? You're so sweet. Thanks, Mommy. I bet you really almost just made me cry. We
Ah,
don't need to
crying,
do that.
just put makeup on.
Here's the finished product. Count yourselves blessed that Jenny Lynn taught you how to do makeup. Isn't she awesome? Thanks for showing us, Mom.
Thanks for inviting me on your show.
Of course.
Show?
Channel.
Channel.
So thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked this video and if you like my mom, and if you don't, we'll cut you.
That it?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah.
Bye.